Open it. Ah! My God, you scared me.
Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Anupama. So this time I thought of making something which is easy and fun to make. Mostly everyone can give it a try to surprise your loved ones and it's really fun to watch. So without any further delay, let's get started. And guys, if you are new to my channel and if you are not yet subscribed, do consider subscribing and click the bell icon to get the further notifications. So guys, this would be the template for making the cubes. And I have taken this thick sheet of dimensions 29 by 18 centimeters. And just mark it over 6 and 12 centimeters each on both the sides, and then join both the points. Now start marking on other two sides. Mark on 6, 7, 8, 14, 20, 21, 22 and 28 centimeters. Do it for both the sides. Now start connecting the points vertically. Now start marking the boxes which are to be removed. Now carefully remove them using a sharp knife. So guys, now our cutout is ready. To make it fold easily, start scoring it. You can even use a pen which is not writing to do this. Now remove the corners. Now start folding it. As we need to insert rubber band over here, I am securing this portion with the help of cello tape. Do it for both the sides. Now take 3 rubber bands like this and join them by placing knots. You can clearly see here how I am placing a knot. Now start inserting the rubber band. Once you are done with one side, hold that tightly and insert the other side. You'll be getting something like this. Now stick this portion using white glue. Allow it to dry completely by placing clips or by placing some weight over it. Do it for both the sides and let it dry completely before going to the next step. Now remove the clips and carefully expand it and put a heavy weight over it and just slide it over one side. Now start folding the sheet inwards. Apply glue and stick it. Follow the same process on the other side. After sticking the glue, allow it to dry completely. Now remove the weight. You can see they're popping up. Now to make it more attractive, you can stick colored paper or any pattern paper, or you can even write messages over it. So now our cube is ready. I had made 4 cubes like this. Now to place these cubes inside, we need to make a box. Now for this again I had taken a thick sheet of dimension 16 by 10 centimeters. Mark 1.5 centimeters on all the sides. Join the points. Now score along the lines. Now make a cut over the sides as shown in the video. Now fold it carefully and stick the sides. So that we will be forming a tray. Now again take one more sheet of dimensions 19.5 by 13.5 centimeters. Now start marking points on 7.2 centimeters on both the sides and join them vertically. Again mark 1.7 centimeters on both the sides. Again join them vertically. Again mark 7.2. Join them and again 1.7. Now again score along the lines to fold it neatly. Start folding it carefully. Now apply glue and close both the open ends. So now our box is ready. Now let's decorate it. Here I'm using foam sheet. Stick it on the top. Again on this I'm sticking some floral paper. Now to open and close the tray easily, I'm attaching this button. So our box is ready. Now let's fold our cubes. And place them inside the tray. And you can even place some few paper cutouts or sparkles or glitter. Now close the tray carefully. So that's it guys for today. So our pop-up cubes are ready. So now let's open it. Wow. That's it for today guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed it. Please do consider subscribing if you like this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you like it. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.